Welcome everybody, this is a next tutorial from Cinema 4D, and I wanna show you how to use pause mode and of course how to manipulate it when you want to sculpting on open mouth. So for it now let we see open the program and loading of course. Okay, today on the background we will be have with Kate. Yes, this is a Kate from Alpha and Omega, one of my favorite documents right now, or how I want to say, maybe no documents or filler. And right now we open the mouth, and when we have opened the mouth, we want to try add a new pause mode. Okay, so we select pause mode, come to the edit and add pause mode, and we have it for it now created a new pause mode. So we right now can make this trick how to working on open mouth. So first select mode, come to the with port, and the format editing must be enabled. So if we have it to this, we can select sculpt, and for it now we need again we must go to the objects. I changed only one thing because I hate this display and I want to components. That will be better for me and for you too. Okay, so what we want in here. Okay, so we have sculpting, we have object, we must select the kite, and we want use a grab. Okay, so we selected this. We must go to the edit, and don't worry about this. This is automatically closed, but you must select again pause mode, choose your pause and pause deformation, turn on, and automatically you will be have opened the mouth. And for it now, if we have opened the mouth, we can try to script something. Maybe look on the size. No, this is not a good size for me. I prefer 23 or 24. Click everywhere where you want and start brush. Of course, I use symmetry here, and you can turn on, you can turn off, or what you like. Better for me working on a symmetry, and of course on a local symmetry, not on a word or work plane, because I not used this. And look, we see. Okay, work perfect. Can move her, you can change the brush or what we we can enable notifications, move, and go on 30%. And little change this size of 18. Nice position. And automatic, and this is everything what I want to show you. I hope it was helpful for you, and who knows, maybe I have idea on the next tutorial, but I tried found the internet how to use this sculpting, and I cannot found anywhere on YouTube, so this is my second tutorial. So okay, this is all. So see you later, and thanks for your attention.